Automation giants face off, Workato versus Tray.io. Which platform actually powers your workflow best? On one side, we have Workato, known for its enterprise integrations and robust automation toolkit. On the other, Tray.io, flexible, developer-friendly, and packed with features. We're testing them across real business scenarios, integration flexibility, ease of use, pricing, support, and innovation. Let's cut through the marketing jargon and focus on how they truly perform. Points will be awarded in each category, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner. The outcome may surprise you. Let's get into it. Let me lay out the roadmap for you first. Here's what we're judging these two on. Pricing, integration breadth, usability, security and compliance, scalability and performance, developer features, and last but definitely not least, community and support. Ready? Let's dive right in. First up, pricing. And honestly, it's not as straightforward as we'd all like. Workato starts a bit higher, and you'll need to chat with sales for a custom quote, which can be kind of intimidating. It's transparent once you get there, and they do toss in enterprise discounts. Tray.io, though, gives you a free trial and actually has some pretty attractive mid-market plans. Beware, though, some of those cool features? Yeah, they might cost you extra if you want to go all in. In this round, Tray.io edges out just a bit, mainly because that free trial is super nice if you just want to get your hands dirty without commitment. Now, if you care about connecting, like every app under the sun, Workato might just blow your mind. We're talking over 1,000 pre-built connectors, spanning everything from SaaS to those ancient on-prem systems. None of us really want to admit we're still using. There is a bit of a learning curve with the trickier stuff. Tray.io, it has hundreds of connectors, so it's definitely no slouch, and it handles data in some really flexible ways. But if you're on the hunt for some super niche app, you might get left out. So, our winner here? Workato, for just sheer coverage. Usability. If your team includes folks who break into a cold sweat at the word API, Workato is going to feel like a safe, happy place. Their no-code builder is honestly super intuitive, and the documentation is surprisingly friendly. Tons of recipes to get you going. Advanced logic feels a bit behind the scenes, though. Tray.io comes in with a visual builder and some powerful features. But let's be real, it's a little more intimidating if you're just getting started. Winner here? Workato. It's just really nice for new users. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Workato's actually been a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for iPay ads for more than 6 years running. That's a pretty impressive badge to wear, right? On to security and compliance. And yeah, if you're running anything serious, you want to pay attention. Workato checks off just about every box: SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR, Enterprise SSO+, these like extremely detailed role controls. Some of that does come at a higher tier, so heads up. Tray.io is holding its own with SOC 2, GDPR, SAML SON, audit trails. However, not everything goes as deep depending on your plan. So Workato takes this one for being, well, just a little more buttoned up. Okay, performance and scaling. And honestly, both of these are beasts. Workato can literally chew through billions of tasks and even lets you choose where your data lives. You'll want their support team on speed dial if you get really wild with customization though. Tray.io is built for high volume too, thanks to some seriously elastic infrastructure. But if you're rolling it out at massive scale, brace yourself, your engineering team could be in for some late nights. So you know what? It's a tie. They're both powerhouses. Now, for all you developers out there, perk up. Here's where Tray.io really shines. It has advanced scripting, super granular APIs, and webhook triggers for days. It's awesome, but if you're just a business user, you might get lost pretty fast. Workato has APIs, and you can build your own connectors, but truthfully, it's more about making life easy for folks who don't want to stare at code all day. So this one's a win for Tray.io if you want developer muscle. That's your pick. Almost there. Let's talk community and support. Workato has this huge library of recipes, big forums, and dedicated customer success folks for enterprise users. Downside, if you're not paying top tier, you might wait a bit longer for help. Tray.io is building up a pretty helpful help center and has a community that's really on the rise, but it's just not as established yet. So Workato pulls ahead on community and support. Let's hit pause for a sec and look at the scorecard. You can really see where each platform flexes its muscles. Some categories are neck and neck, but others, well, there's a clear standout. So, with everything laid out, if you care most about easy automation, a friendly vibe, and a track record in the enterprise world, Workato is basically built for you. If you want to geek out, roll up your sleeves, and squeeze every bit of power out of your workflow automations, Tray.io makes it happen. But overall, Workato just comes out ahead in most of the big areas. If that helped clear things up for you, awesome. Go ahead and subscribe for more workflow deep dives and tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got coming up next.